Tsatsu, the Synod Member of Parliament, was expected to be in court, but his lawyers indicated that he was undergoing some medical examination and has been flown out of the country to Canada, and so that is where he is receiving some treatment. But the courts said that no reasonable excuse has been proffered. In fact, they also provided a link for Mr. Kwesi to join virtually, but Mr. Kwesi refused to join today's proceedings. Lawyer for James Tsatsu Tsikata indicated that the judge was exhibiting symptoms of arbitrariness. The judge has been unfair, but the judge indicated that they have given all avenues for the proceedings to go on, and thus ordered Mr. Tsatsu Tsikata to go ahead to cross-examine the prosecution witness. General Alfred Chayabwa, who led the state prosecutors, indicated that they are in for whatever the court will say. In fact, they say that it is some kind of delay tactics that lawyers for Mr. James Tsatsu are playing. They indicated that the prosecution witness has been in the dock for more than a year.
They knew about the hearing, and that's the reason why they're even in court today. They also, in court, the judge said that the last time that we came and we met the judge in chambers, they said he was undergoing a medical test. It's different from saying that he was undergoing a medical, something relating to his health. Medical test. We agreed. We took an adjournment. We've been in court today, and what's the story? That he's now, I'll not say seriously, but he's sick. But we are not told. There's no evidence to that effect. The court then said we have to go on with the matter because our witness had been in the box since July 2022. 1 year, 5 months, or 4 months. One witness in the witness box for 1 year, 4 months. And we think that we should still countenance such a practice. No. If they want to take it up on appeal, as you said, maybe they think that we are ready for them. As I said, we come to court to speak and talk law and nothing else. If they take any legal point, we'll be ready to confront them head on.
Very sad day for us as Ghanaians and of course the legal system of Ghana. You have a judge insisting, despite clear evidence of medical report showing that the person is undergoing a test, medical test, and then the judge insists that despite that, I would disregard that and insist that you go ahead with the case without him. Even though we went ahead because we didn't want to disrespect the court, but the unfairness to insist on such an important case. We are doing cross-examination, and you said that you accept the process today, go ahead. And that is the side of it, especially when there is evidence of medical condition. We don't necessarily say that the person, maybe he is sick on the wheelchair before you say he is sick. All of us walking here, do we know what is with us here? But what we want to place on record is that the cause had been unfair today. We have not been dealt with and given the right to exercise our legal rights as it's supposed to be. Because today you even saw that arrangement has been made for the accused person to be in court. How can you serve? The question is, by the legal practice, how can you serve a process on somebody today in the courtroom and insist that you must go on?
Deputy Attorney General.
Na mamitin kana mon congratulate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because I'm marketed. I want to see his presidency. Obia yebi, obia nkofo frosomra. I want to see his presidency. Na menzin kan so mon congratulate ma miyanko Kennedy agompre kwa Japan. Aya was in a topic, but I will not discuss him because he's a very good friend of mine.
Mm-hmm.
But it has gone beyond that. The Sisiala Ken I established a position within the MPP party. The Anyenya, he is the next in line. And this is what Alencha Martin failed to do. to build a political strong base in his party.
Alan Chamati is no longer with the MPP.
Oh, Maba. And then he's talking about MPP. He's talking about Akumpreku. And then publications are being. He's talking about the victory of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You failed to set up a very strong team to build your image within your party. And that is what Akumpreku Ajipon Waye. And he is now a force to reckon with. Kwame?
Yes.
Yes. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you expected there will be 75 plus 70, bin 95 them. Ninya nje we conjecture about the numbers when it comes to elections. And there's nothing new about it. But today, Professor Saponke, the significance of the MPP flag bearership election is that a history has been made. Call it 61%. 61% can translate to 95%. But Mama kind there, so Ochiado one relax na woman space more shadow there the campaign no share meeting the people all kuko fie old members of the party 1 hour here seeing to it there is a visitation. That is the essence of a political leader. When you're 61%, Kwame. Now, last time I hear Mukakusubiwa in your absence. Mukakade said, Bawumianya 75%. He is likely to get 50.6% in the general elections. But I'm being misquoted. Since your papers been online, what's a Mukade 52.6 or you 50.6? Now, Kwame Inyima. Something extraordinary happened at the Accra Sports Stadium. And as a politician, I won't take it lightly. No, you brush it easy. What happened at the Accra Sports Stadium also were any political party.
Kwame,
Zoji can. Masre